Hi, good day, Ma'am Maricel. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, I am Maricel Felicio Daragam. I am 39 years old and I have three children, all girls. Their age is 11 years old and the second one is 10 years old and the eldest is 7 years old. And I have a living partner, work together in my house. And I finished studies, high school graduate,
All right, thank you. Then, how many siblings do you have?
three children.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have five brothers and two sisters.
All right, thank you. Then, how would you describe yourself?
I am a very patient person as a mother, loving and caring my kids
All right, thank you. Then, why do you want to apply abroad?
because I want the future of children.
All right, then, do you have work experience?
Yes, I have a working experience abroad first in South Korea as a factory worker, and the second one in Kuwait as a domestic helper.
Please indicate your duties and responsibilities as factory worker in Korea.
I work in Korea as a factory. I put design crystal using crystal in a refrigerator, example refrigerator or aircon, and especially the housing the cell phone. I put the cover the cell phone the design use the crystal.
All right, thank you. Then how about your duties and responsibilities as domestic helper in Kuwait?
I work as all cooking, cleaning, and all around inside the house. My employer.
All right. Then did you finish your contract in Korea?
Yes, ma'am. I finished my contract.
How about in Kuwait? Did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am. I finished already
All
my
right.
contract in Kuwait.
Then are you willing to take care of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I willing to learn how to care the your baby.
All right. Then how about how would you take care of naughty children and children with temper tantrums?
They have a sample I want to to share up here. Smiling, you laughing. I will singing or reading and or writing, coloring.
All right, thank you. Then how about if the newborn baby is crying at night?
Uh, I very patient as a mother. I will do my best to how to care your baby, how to no stop crying or something. I will check the baby. I will give feeding or I will check the diaper.
All right, thank you. Then what will you do if you become homesick?
I do my course in my employer house. I will make myself make busy for my employers what he needs.
All right, then are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care pets, even big dogs?
Yes, ma'am. I willing.
How do you describe your cooking skills?
Uh, I want explore new dishes.
So you can cook Filipino dishes?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Then do you have any food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Do you eat everything?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, I promise, ma'am.
Do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
Yes, I'm honest.
Do you have the physical energy to keep up with the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
How about smoking?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any body tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do
No,
you have a history of surgery?
no,
Are you
ma'am.
willing to share a room with the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to wake up very early in the morning or sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work during day off and employer will pay you overtime?
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right. For the last question, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
Um, I'm hoping you choose me your new. Hi, ma'am. Hi, sir, madam. I am Marisa Radam. I am very kind person and I'm hardworking. I'm hardworking and honestly person and loyal. I promise I finish my contract, ma'am. Thank you.